Hey guys, it's Mary, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a different kind of Halloween makeup look. This is all fun and games. This is a very spooky look for Halloween, and this is a Laura Lee crying makeup tutorial. So, it'll be pretty spooky, pretty scary. If you want to know how to get it, then just keep on watching. I'll have all my social media links down below, like my Twitter and my Instagram, so you should go follow me in there if you're not following me already. Subscribe down below if you're new. And like I just said, it's a joke. It's lighthearted and fun. So, let's just get onto the video. Alright, so I have a picture of Laura. She doesn't really have her brows done, so I'm just going to be brushing through them. So I'll be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Kind of need to get that like post-crying look. Kind of involves some like, honestly your skin looks pretty good after you're done crying, and it's very luminous. To get that, we're going to be using, wow, the Irony, the Jeffree Star Liquid Frost Highlight Tea. Placing that on my cheekbones. And I filmed a review on this. Okay. It should be up at some point. I filmed it like a month and a half ago. Honestly, I filmed it like a week after this launched. I'm just very bad at scheduling, so then we'll just be blending that out with the Beauty Blender. This is a very nice liquid highlight. Now, Laura does have very good skin in this video. Just going to be covering up pretty much any blemishes that I have. Kind of starting to break out on my forehead, so I'll just be doing a little bit of spot concealing and around some discoloration. I don't want to go really too much more than that, than just maybe a few dots under my eyes. And I'm using the Tarte Shape tape, in the shade Light Sand. Now, really the only powder I'm going to be using is some eyeshadow, so I'll be using the Morphe 350 palette. Laura has, she looks tired, so I'll be using the Morphe M505 brush. There's a little orangey color right here that's like a burnt matte orange, and a light cool toned brown right here. Putting that underneath my eyes. Now, Laura does have very nice bone structure, though. Not as slim around the face as her, so I'll be using the Morphe Bronzer Kit in the shade Blogger. Just be bronzing up my cheeks a little bit. I'll be using the NYX blush in the shade Peach. Adding some color back to my face, just because Laura she does have color to her face. It's kind of a post-crying or while you're crying type of thing. And then some highlight. So I'll be using the MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter. I'll be placing that right, yeah, I know, yeah, it's kind of, because sis was crying. So to get that teary look, it's a little glitter there. And then I'll just be applying it just for fun in my normal spots. So next I'll be curling my lashes. So I won't be applying any mascara to my top lashes because she's not wearing any. I'll just be applying them to my bottom lashes just because you really can't see mine at all. Two last things for this. I'll be using the Buxom Gloss in the shade White Russian. Dotting that under my eyes and then blending it out with my finger. And then I'll be applying that on my lips. This is it for today's video. Like I said, it's all fun and games, all laughs. But for this little spooky look, I guess you could say. If you want to get real scary, be Laura Lee. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'll have all my social media links down below, like my Twitter and my Instagram, so you should go follow me on there if you're not following me already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.